So in this video, you'll learn how to reset your keyboard settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the Settings app on your phone. And under Settings, you want to scroll and select the option General Management. Under General Management, you want to tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then from here, you want to scroll to the very bottom of this menu until you see the option Reset to Default Settings. Tap on it. Once you've selected it, in order for you to reset your keyboard settings, simply choose it from the list of options on your screen. So reset keyboard settings. And then you want to confirm by tapping on reset. Bear in mind that if you have any downloaded languages on the keyboard of your phone, they won't be erased. So the language will stay, but any other customizations that you made will be taken back to the default. So if you're okay with that, just tap on reset. And once you've done that, the reset has already completed itself. So you'll notice that any customizations you had previously made on the Samsung keyboard have been taken back to their default. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.